Group A. When the Hindustan Republican Association was formed?
1861.
Wrong answer.
Question goes to team B.
First question goes to Group B.
1924.
1924, right answer, 5 marks.
Direct question to team B.
Direct question goes to Team B. When the telegraph service started between India and Europe?
1805 AD.
1805 AD, right answer, 10 marks to Group B. When was the first Indian Council was passed?
1861.
1861, right answer, 10 marks, Group C. That question goes to Group D. When was the cooperative society at first passed in India?
1921.
Wrong answer. 5 marks, Group A. Group D को 0. दो. Direct question goes to Group A. Which is the oldest mountain of India?
Aravali.
Aravali is right answer, 10 marks, Group A. What is the maximum length of a day on the poles? Time over. Past question, Group C.
6 months.
6 months, right answer, 5 marks, Group C. Goes to Group C. For which important crops red soil are suited?
Jawar and Bajra.
Right answer, 10 marks, Group C.
रुक जा.
By which name in North-East India the Himalaya known? Purvanchal is right answer, 5 marks, Group A. Mountain range separate the river Narmada and Tapti.
Satpura range.
Right answer, 10 marks, Group A. That question goes to Group B. लड़का बच्चा लोग को बोलो ताली बजाने के लिए. When was the SAARC founded?
8 December 1985.
Right answer, 10 marks, Group B. Group C, that question. Who was the President of America at the time of First World War?
W. Wilson.
W. Wilson, right answer, 10 marks, Group C. That question goes to Group D. Who was the first woman Congress president elected in 1947?
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant is right answer. 10 marks, Group D. Who was the author of Gehu aur Gulab?
Munshi Premchand.
No, wrong answer. Author of Gehu aur Gulab? No.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Ram Manohar Lohia.
No, wrong answer.
जवाब बताओ, जवाब बताओ उसका।
कोई नहीं बताएगा।
जवाब बताओ, तुम बताओ, ऑडियंस से पूछो।
राम वृक्ष बेनीपुरी। राइट आंसर इसका है राम वृक्ष बेनीपुरी। Third question goes to Group B. Who was the author of Titli?
Ahmad Iqbal.
Wrong answer.
क्वेश्चन प्रोसेस टू
Mohan Rakesh.
No. A.
Munshi Premchand.
No, wrong answer.
जवाब बताओ।
राइट आंसर होगा जयप्रकाश प्रसाद। Third question goes to Group C. Who was the author of Coolie?
Question.
Who was the author of Coolie?
Premchand.
No, wrong.
Hayam Tagore.
No.
Mulk Raj Ahmed.
Mulk Raj Anand, right answer. 5 marks, Group A. Third question goes to Group D. Who was the author of Hungry Stone? Pass. A.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Right answer. 5 marks, Group A.
पूछो पूछो।
चलिए। Third question goes to Group A. When did Rani Lakshmi Bai die?
June 1858.
Right answer. 10 marks, Group A. Third question goes to Group B. When did Ahmad Shah Abdali attack on Punjab?
2048.
Right answer. 10 marks, Group B. Group C. In which year Ashok attacked on Kalinga?
261 BC.
Right answer. 10 marks, Group C. Group D. Which state in India has the longest coastline?
Coastal line.
Gujarat.
Right answer, 10 marks. Group D. Question goes to Group A. What is British flag called?
Union Jack.
Right answer, 10 marks. Group A. Now question goes to Group B. Who was the second man to walk on the moon?
Edwin Aldrin.
Right answer, 10 marks. Group A. Group B. That question goes to Group C. Where is Indian Military Academy located?
Dehradun.
Dehradun. Right answer, 10 marks. Group C. And that question goes to Group D. Which state in India has the lowest infant mortality?
Kerala.
Kerala is right answer, 10 marks to Group D.
इधर रहिए ना।
स्टैचू बंद कराने से नहीं
क्वेश्चन जब आंसर सही हो तो बोलो ताली बजाने के लिए।
गार्जियन लोग बजाए तब ना ताली बजाए, बच्चा भी बजाएगा।
गलत कोई बोले गलत के
बच्चे सबको
हमारी
बोलिए
दोस्त है।
सब।
Which state in India?
बड़े बच्चे को बोलिए सब। एक्शन इधर।
Who was the inventor of tire?
Dunlop.
Right answer, 10 marks. Group A. Who was the inventor of paint? Shalimar.
देर से तुम लोग आई है।
Right answer, 10 marks. Group D. That question goes to Group C.
बच्चे की दूसरी लड़की है, ध्यान भी नहीं है जिसको। चेंज लग रही है ना?
Who was the inventor of X-ray?
तुम नहीं पहचान।
W. Kerr.
इमाम से है उन्हीं की लड़की।
No, wrong answer.
W.K. Ramton. रंजन बोला था, रंजन बोले थे तुम। रंजन नहीं है, रैंटन है।
And that question goes to Group D. Who was the inventor of the theory of evolution?
Charles Darwin.
Right answer, 10 marks. Group D. And that question goes to Group A. Which state in India has the biggest producer of spice?
Kerala.
Kerala is right answer, 10 marks. Group A. Group B. Which is the only Arab country which does not have a desert?
Lebanon.
Lebanon is right answer, 10 marks. Group B. That question goes to Group C. The lowest fat percentage is found in the milk of which animal?
Cow.
Cow is right answer, 10 marks. Group C. And that question goes to Group B. Where is